And this is my storage of all my fall decorations. And honestly, I don't think I remember what I even have in here. Like, I remember I have like the Harry Potter lights, but I'm also just forgetting like things that I actually might as well see. So let's take a look. Okay, so I also have my Galentine's things in here too. But okay, so the first thing we have is these floating candles that I got from Amazon that are like Harry Potter themed. Yeah, they're all like battery powered. I got this from Amazon. This is like a little wand, which is nice. And I think I have to put new batteries in here because I took them out for other things to use. So yeah, there's that, the Harry Potter ones. Also have this that I got from Halloween from like a spooky basket last year that my friends gave me. This would be cute to put up. I have these towels for the bathroom, my guest bathroom. That will look really nice. And then I also have my kitchen towels as well that go in my kitchen area. It says, "Welcome to the pumpkin patch." Really cute. So there's that. Also have these pumpkins. I got this light up Max last year to turn on. Still works. Have this pumpkin, which is also from TJ Maxx. You'll see a lot of pumpkins for sure. And then this last pumpkin as well from TJ Maxx, which is cute. And then I had this pumpkin that I painted last year for like a solo date. It has these like ghosts on it. I think I'm gonna do this again, like painting pumpkins, but it might be an actual real pumpkin this year. We'll see, but definitely be cute to hang up somewhere. I have these faux fall leaves. They're probably gonna put on my TV area. I also might put some like around my office as well tue, but like I said, my office is a hot mess. I don't even want to like think about decorating here right now until I have it organized, but we'll figure out a place for this. So I have a lot of like faux leaves. Let's see what else I have. I have this like Halloween basket with little things in here. I have like a little pumpkin. I have a miniature Frankenstein. I have this pumpkin magnet that never stays on my fridge. I have this ghost that's also a magnet. I have a bunch of like small candles. I don't remember putting these up last year. I think this was for like my Galentine's thing, but maybe we can utilize this somehow as well too. Another little miniature pumpkin. I have this cute like bouquet centerpiece that's fake that I got from, I believe, Max as well too. And then lastly, I have these fall candles that I got from Home Goods that have like this little design on it, the fake leaves, which is really cute. And I'm gonna put this in my candle holder. But I definitely want to get like a few more things as well for, I think, for my decor, but I think we're off to a good start. So let's go ahead and start decorating. Last night I finished putting up all my wall decorations, and today I'm gonna go ahead and add some more for shopping. Today I have a long day. I have to reorganize my office. I got a new desk and I also got some new things as well too. Also have to run errands. So today I'll be running errands, picking up just some more fall decor, going to Trader Joe's, going to Target. I love Target all the time. And then I have to obviously get a head start on editing this video, and then I have a media event that I'm going to later on today. And I don't know if I told you guys, but I'm like a brand ambassador for this brand called Nation. It's like almost like a tourism board, to where they create content and show things to do in their Orlando area. Not just in Orlando, they have different locations as well too, but I'm one of the brand ambassadors for Orlando. So pretty much I just go to an event and serve as like the press person, to where I get content and I film and then send it off to our editors and they work on social media pages. But yeah, I've been doing that for like a couple of months now, and it's been really fun. It's nice because I get to pick what events I want to attend to. I get to sign up for them instead of like having to meet a certain quota. So it's like whenever I'm down to go to an event that I feel like I really want to go to, I just sign up on our website or whatever. But yeah, I have a pretty long day today, and I woke up kind of feeling overwhelmed with the thought of having to do so much thing today. But then as I was journaling, I kind of reflected and was like, you know, like I'm actually really living in an answered prayer. Me 2 years ago, my life didn't look like this at all. I was still living at home. I was a substitute teacher 2 years ago. I can never imagine my life being the way it is now, to where like I get to wake up and I have a job that is like flexible, to where I can run errands when I need to be. Like I don't need to be glued to my computer desk. I'm able to do what I love every single day. I'm able to like film content. I'm able to go to different events. Moments like this where I feel overwhelmed, I try to remind myself of where I came from. It's like, yes, I have a lot on my plate now when it comes to like being on top of my YouTube videos and being on top of content, being consistent, going to different events. Like, yes, that can be overwhelming if not balanced right, but also the version of me 2 years ago would have killed to have this lifestyle now. So just being really grateful and having gratitude for how far I've come pretty much is like what's been on my mind this morning. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and work on organizing. I'll show you guys what I got actually. So I got this like monitor stand from Amazon for my monitor. I'm gonna put up, and then I have this standing deck that I got from TikTok. And I also got this drawer that I got that my dad helped me put together. It's finally done. So I'm gonna put all this stuff, all this like junk drawer things in here and have it organized and whatnot. I also got these organizers that way, because I have a bunch of cords that I have from just different things, like for my cameras and just overall just different things. This is also from Amazon, but this is gonna help me like organize my cords together. I'm in this room 90% of the time, like my office space, so I might as well make it something very like cozy and inviting, because I'm in here all the time. So I've been investing a lot into my office, just figuring out what I can do to make it feel more comfy, make it feel more organized, because like I said, I'm in here all the time. So yeah, let's go ahead and start on organizing. Next stop, Target. That's the order for you. Shop here to be honest, but I have a good cart, so I might as well just find something as far as fall decor goes. I might get some of these to add to like my TV area, but yeah, it kind of reminds me of TJ Maxx a little bit, but yeah, let's find something. All right, and back home, I'm gonna do a quick haul for you guys. Let's do Trader Joe's. I got these apple cider donuts from Trader Joe's, and I usually get like their apple and pumpkin pie. It comes in like these two little small miniature pies that I really love, but I didn't find it there. So I've had these before too, they're really good. But the apple cider donuts, I got my go-to popcorn corn puffs, some salsa, sardines, some red curry sauce. This is new as well too. I want to try this lemon pesto sauce, mix some pasta with it. I think it'll be really good. But it's that. I also got this autumnal, I don't know, but it's harvest soup. So pretty much like tomato soup, but also has pumpkin and squash in it. And I love tomato soup, so I'm really interested to try like the pumpkin and butternut squash in it as well too. But yeah, got some soup. I got some salmon, broccoli, mac and cheese, tilapia, and then ricotta and spinach for ravioli, which is really good. And then some strawberries. Okay, next we have Target. I almost just got things that I wanted to re-up on, but I did get these 2 candles, and these candles kind of remind me of like those sugar crusted gummies. That makes sense if you guys know what I'm talking about. These smell so good. Like I was gonna go to Bath and Body Works right after Target, but candles are $5 and they smell just as good, if not better, than Bath and Body Works in my opinion. But this is the candle. This is warm cider cinnamon. It smells so good. Oh, it smells so good. So I have this one, and I also got the other scent. I got pumpkin spice cupcakes. This one smells even better. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells so good. They are small at Bath & Body Works, but again, they're $5. They're worth it. And they can also be served as like decor as well too. So got these 2 candles. And just got some mouthwash on my pimple patches. I got some command strips because my calendar and my office keeps falling down. So I'm gonna redo them. Also got this Febreze Crisp Fall Breeze scent because I was running low on my I was running low on my spray, so I got this like fall scent. I'm also re-upping on my Airwick refills. I have the plugs everywhere, but this scent is the Harvest Pumpkin and Spice scent. My first time getting it. I normally get the apple cinnamon one, which is really good as well too, but this will be a new scent, but this one smells good as well too. I just got some floss and then some nail polish that I want to do for like my fall color. I want to do this. I was going to do it before my event, but I don't think I'll have time, but we'll see. But yeah, that's it for my Target. And then last but not least, we have Marshalls. I got this bouquet from Marshalls. I'm gonna put it by my like reading nook area in my living room. But it was really cute and very festive. And then I got this green pumpkin. I'm gonna put it in my living room somewhere. And then I also got just this vase to hold this autumn set. So I'm gonna put, this is the vase. I'm gonna put these in here and then put it by my reading nook chair. But yeah guys, that is it for my little fall shopping haul. I'm going to get ready for my event soon. I don't plan to vlog that event, but I might like include like a short clip from here or there. But yeah, I'll see you guys to conclude finishing up prepping for fall.